All right, so the next problem we had with this wonderful, lovely, beautiful aircraft is this seat. I don't know if it'll open. Oh, it will. The previous owner took this plastic seat from like a Volkswagen sand buggy or something and made it work. That is the beautiful part about experimental. You can do what you want. But in this situation, when you sell it and you give it away, it is somebody, oh my goodness, it is somebody else's problem to finish the puzzle. Not only did you start, but you wrote. Like this gentleman here took the plans, did what he wanted, how he wanted, and now it's up to me to figure out, find out, and see if I feel safe and comfortable flying his design, his modifications. So with the seat, I'm going to say no. So I don't know if you can see it right now, but let me bring you over here because holy manoli. Oh yeah, you can. Whew, you can see it. It is lightened substantially. So cheese. Yeah, so the seat is saying cheese. Holy mackerel. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. This aircraft is kind of the Jeep of the aircraft world. You can just pull the doors off with these pins. So, boop, off the door came. No big deal. Now we have full access to the seat, which looks like it's just a couple, I'm going to assume right now that it's all American stuff. So let's see here. We can't get a ratchet wrench in there. It is definitely not a half. So, not a half. Let's try a 14. Should be a 9/16. So it's a 9/16. But because I cannot get a ratchet in there for anything, see, the ratchet wrench won't fit in there because of this bracket. I have to just kind of start it and stop it, and start it and stop it. Oh, even better, the bolts are so long you have to lift the seats up. I'm going to tighten this one up. I don't know how I'm going to get to that back one. Maybe there isn't a back one. Maybe he got scared and was like, I'm not going to do that back there. Oh, wait. Slow your flow, Bubba. Slow your flow. I'll be darned, as my grandmama used to say. One there. Oh, I think my arm is stuck. Yeah, my arm is stuck. But there's a cotter pin there, and this bolt right here. That whole bracket comes out, or that whole seat. So let's see if I can get my arm stuck again. Oh, I guess I went up and then came down. Okay, this really should be a bolt. I mean, the good part is the cotter key was facing down, so if it did fail, it would stay in place due to gravity. So, because it wasn't flared out. All right, let's see if I can get to the other side. It's really back there. Maybe it's just dropped in. Of course not. All right, let me go get a hook pliers. That one seems to be properly flared. So let's get a set of hook pliers. Gotta love when they randomly do things correctly. Let's say these guys. Kind of like picking out a switch with your grandmama. Well, that one will hurt me. That one will kill me. That one will send me back. I don't know what I bought these for, but I use them for, dang it. I use them for everything that I'm probably not supposed to use them for. And for the most part, it works. Oh yeah, those things are flared. All right, so let's go on the other side. Gotta squeeze it together, because they are properly flared. I try to find where it is now on this side. We'll rotate. Cotter pins, cotter pins. That's a fight amongst probably all professions. I know through racing, you were judged if you double folded, single folded, opposite folded. It's like, how did you do it? And you kind of were tagged by that, you know? Like, oh, that's that person. Yeah, whatever. Trying to get you a camera angle that isn't my behind. Ah! Look at that. Dingly dangly. Okay. So now it looks like I just have to remove these, which is another 7/16, but it looks like the weld, they welded on a nut. So let's see how that's going to work. That'll give me so much room in this compartment. Look at that. Somebody was using their noodle. Oh, no, they weren't. I got to bring you over here. All right, guys. Look at this. Holy manoli. Bounce you between 100 million things. You see that? Yeah. They fabriced over the bolt. What in the world? Seriously, man? I was giving you such praises, and then you hurt my heart. You hurt my heart, man. What the heck? All right, so now let's get ourselves a Leatherman Wingman. No sponsorship yet. Man, that's frustrating. It really is. Oh yeah, look at that, man. I don't want to cut through any fabric, but Diggity dang. And it's the wrong size. Go happy figure. Well, then with the door, so let's get a 1/2 inch socket. How frustrating. So I'm trying not to do, I'm even going to run a different pitot line, but I have to create an access panel, which Chuck Valaire and I have done on the previous Avid. Oh, doesn't fit on that either. So I have all the tools and stuff for that, and all the kits and everything. Let's try a 13. It's definitely not a 13. Is it a 10? No. So it's not the 7/16. Oh, it is 7/16. Why wouldn't the socket go on there? Oh. Just telling me to slow down, Bubba. Slow down. Okay. So, in theory, we have all 4 connection points taken apart now. The poor door, I'm probably going to redo it because it has, the Lexan has seen better days. Well, that was a big scratch. Anyways, all right. This is the good thing about this plane, is it fits anywhere, but the bad thing is everything fits around it too. So, all right, so we're going to lock these so it doesn't slide on us when we move. Let's see how this thing actually comes out. So those are free. It's free in the back. Go up with it and at an angle, and it is out. So that answers the question of how do you get these bolts out? Awesome. So now we know that that bracket right there will fit any seat that will fit in this aircraft. Oh, these seat belts are sketchy. Packaging material. I don't know what these bolts are. There is aluminum shavings everywhere. There's not even a seatbelt on the end of that thing. Man, I've been with this plane now probably about a month and a half, and I haven't done anything to it. And today, my wife called me and said, hey, it's holiday break at your job, and go do something. I went, okay. So, look at this. Less than a few minutes, things that I've wanted to get done are done. So once again, procrastination paves the way to hell. So we'll get our new seat from Ziggy and get it in, and we're going to build a custom aluminum header tank that goes in there, because I don't have any wing tanks. It's really weird, but I don't. So, but the seat is out.